Welcome to Forno Appliance technical support video. In this video, we will explain how to remove the control panel holder for the following models. For safety reasons, please make sure to close your gas line and disconnect your power supply. Remove all knobs. Unscrew all knob rings. Open oven door. Remove screws located underneath the control panel holder. Remove control panel. Disconnect all knob rings. Pull out gently control panel. Remove the 4 screws holding the control panel holder located at the 4 inside corners. Gently pull out the control panel holder and pass the control panel through the holder. Disconnect the wire located on the left side of the holder. This completes the removal of the control panel holder.